Alright guys, I'm running Mr. Joe. Top 3, pick a autographed jersey. Time here in Wisconsin, 10:54. We're going to go live. We are live. Check the timestamp, 10:54, 10:54. Grab a list. Grab a list. 23 spots. And the top 3. Alright, we'll drop it into random. 23 entries, add them on the bottom, add them up top. We're looking for 2 dice, 5 or higher. 11's good. Here we go, 11 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 times dice is an 11. Next click, top 3. And 11. Congrats, Timothy, spot 2, Anthony, spot 16, and Greg in spot 8. You 3 are the winners. 10:55 here in Wisconsin. Type done. We are done. 10:55, 10:55. Timestamp and verification.